Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi Batra, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about all the buzzing IPOs that you should keep on your watch list, because this is 1 week which is going to see 8 IPOs open up to street and also open up to subscription for all the investors, and 7 new listings to happen. So the primary market is the buzz with action. So which are the top IPOs that you need to keep an eye out on? Take your pick. Which are the stocks that you should keep on your watch list? Where should you be putting in your fresh money? All of it you will get to know, as all the details I will share with you, that which are the IPOs that are actually opening up for subscription. So strong action will continue this week, as the first one has already opened. In fact, when we talk about the cumulative money that will be raised by these 8 IPO bound companies will be 1483 crores. Now remember, out of this there are some main board IPOs and some of them are SME IPOs. The main board IPOs are of RK Swami, that opened today, JG Chemicals and Gopal Snacks, that will hit the street to raise a cumulative of 1324 crores. Meanwhile, the SME segment will see public offers of VR Infraspace, Sona Machinery, Sri Karni Fabcom and Pune E-Stock Broking as well. So these are the IPOs that you need to keep an eye out on. Let's talk about each of these IPOs in detail. RK Swami, the data-driven integrated marketing services provider, is the first from the main board IPO segment to hit the street, which is already open for subscription. It has an IPO size of 423.5 crores. It's open today, that's March 4th, and will be open up until March of 6th, where you can actually apply for this IPO. This IPO is a mix of fresh issue of shares of worth 173 crores and an offer for sale of 87 lakh shares worth 250 crores. At the upper end of the price band. Now, of course, the price band has been fixed for this IPO at 270 rupees to 288 rupees per equity share. What's interesting is that there was already a huge demand for this IPO on day one itself. It's got fully subscribed. 1.3 times is what the subscription figures are at the end of the day one provisional figures that we've got, as well as the retail portion got subscribed in just the first half an hour or 1 hour of trade as well. So that's the kind of huge demand that was there for RK Swami's IPO. The second main board IPO is of JG Chemicals. Now this zinc oxide manufacturer, JG Chemicals, will open its 251 crore rupees public offer on March 5th, that's tomorrow, with a price band of 210 to 221 rupees per share. The IPO, which comprises of fresh issue of 165 crores worth of shares and an offer for sale of 39 lakh shares worth 86 odd crores, will close on March 7. That's the second one that you need to keep an eye out on. The third one is Gopal Snacks IPO. This maiden public issue of the Rajkot-based ethnic and western snacks maker Gopal Snacks will be open for subscription from March 6 up until March 11. Now, why are there so many days? Because 3 days the markets will be shut on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Friday being Shivratri, and the markets will be closed on account of that. So from 6th of March till 11th of March will be the offer that will be open for subscription. What is the price band of this one? 381 rupees to 401 rupees per equity share. Now, the company intends to raise 650 crore rupees through this IPO. This is a complete offer for sale by the existing shareholders as well. We did speak to the management of Gopal Snacks, and that you can, in which you can actually understand what is the company's vision as far as growth is concerned, what are portfolio like, what is the revenue mix, and what is the geographical presence like, what are the export plans of the company, as well as what is the current market share of the company. All of these details have been shared by the company's management with us in an exclusive interview, and you can check out that interview on our Business Today TV page as well. Now, the third one, the next one that I'm going to be talking about, these were the 3 main board IPOs. Now, VR Infraspace IPO. This is the first IPO from the SME segment to hit this week. Again, on March 4th, it's open, and this closes on March 6th. The price band has been, the price has been fixed at 85 rupees per share, and this Gujarat-based real estate developer is planning to raise just about 20.4 crores via this issue. The second SME IPO is Sona Machinery IPO. This Uttar Pradesh-based agricultural machinery manufacturing company will open its IPO on March 5th. The price band is from 136 to 143 rupees per share. and the final day of bidding will be March 7th over here. Now, the company also intends to mobilize around 51.8 crores via this IPO, only via a fresh issue of shares. The next one that you need to keep an eye out on is Sri Karni Fabcom IPO. Now, this Gujarat-based customized knitted and woven fabrics producer is going to be launching its 42.5 crores IPO on March 6th. The last date will be March 11. This price band for this IPO, which only consists of a fresh issue, has been fixed between 220 rupees to 227 rupees per equity share. The company, remember, is a producer of customized, knitted and woven fabrics for industries such as luggage, medical arch support, chairs, shoes and also apparel. The next IPO that you need to keep an eye out on is crore Fine Diamond Jewelry IPO. This is a 5.5 crore rupees IPO, very small IPO. Ahmedabad-based gold and diamond jewelry wholesaler is going to be coming up with this IPO. The subscription will open on March 6, will close on 11th of March. The price band has been set at 55 rupees for this issue. The company offers 22 karat gold and 18 karat diamond jewelry for investors. The last one that I'm going to be discussing in this video is Pune e-stock broking IPO. This IPO will be also the last one from the SME segment that will open up this week. 7th of March is when it opens on, 12th of March is when it ends the subscription. The price band is between 78 rupees to 83 rupees per share. The broking house is planning to mobilize 38.2 crore shares via this IPO of 46 lakh equity shares. The company is a corporate broking house, offers client broking, depository facility and mutual funds as well. So this was a whole list of companies that are coming up with the IPO this week. Do keep an eye out on each of these separate videos that we will be putting out for you for several other details and the expert voices as to where exactly should you be putting in your money amid this IPO rush that has hit these streets so soon.
Hello and a very warm welcome to Business Today TV. I am Chetan Bhutani. Well, Maruti Suzuki